Meaning of horrendously.
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 Horrendously. Horrendously is an adverb that is used to describe something that is extremely terrible, shocking, or horrifying. It implies that the situation or event being described is so bad that it exceeds all levels of normalcy. The word can be used in a wide range of scenarios, from describing a crime scene to referring to a terrible accident. When something is described as horrendous, it means that it is causing immense distress or fear. Overall, horrendously conveys a sense of extreme negativity and a situation that is truly appalling.